Hi there, good evening everybody. Hello there, hello world. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And this is the trip of a lifetime from Manchester to Scotland road trip. And what a view! See the beautiful skies, the beautiful wind, and the beautiful fields, the beautiful landscape, highland, and incredibly beautiful road trip, long trip, but it's worth na mag long trip, mag drive, road trip, kay ang view, tanawa lang ninyo ang view. Bisag kasagbutan ra tanan pero nindot kayo o hipig kayo ang mga trees, ang mga sagbot, o very clean. That is the view from England road trip to Scotland. We passed to from Manchester. We stayed in Stirling and passing by to Dundee and going to Scotland, Edinburgh, and stayed in Inverness, and we went to Loch Ness, and we went to the Calder Castle. What a view and what a trip to what a meaningful trip and a beautiful trip from UK Manchester to Scotland, and especially Edinburgh. What a beautiful buildings, and I love even to stay there. It's a dream to stay there, but maybe in future, I don't know, God knows. But this trip, I love it and I enjoyed it, and it's worth visiting to Scotland, especially Edinburgh, and especially Inverness. What a view! And I love it, I enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Hinaot nag-enjoy mo, hinaot na padayon mo tanaw sa akong mga videos, and hope you enjoy. Hope makita ninyo ang view nga gusto ninyo mo bisita dito. Then it's very nice, it's very interesting. I love ang nindot kay na mga balay ba kay di ka sa Manchester ang color sa na siya chocolate brown ba ang sa Manchester niya ang mga balay kay uniform kaayo ba. Padung pud nimo dito pud ang mga building sa Edinburgh, nice. Iba pud ang style, very nice. Stone is ng old buildings pero nindot kayo ang architecture, ang mga structure. I love it, and it's very massive, brilliant mga architects nga nagahimo. So thank you so much for watching, and continue to watch all my videos. Hope you like, enjoy, and don't forget to share and like, and those who don't subscribe yet, please subscribe, and you will see more videos to come. Busy lang ako, but I hope nag-enjoy mo sa mga video na ako mag-share akong mga trip during my trip to UK and to Scotland. And thank you so much for watching, and God bless, and hope to share with you all with more videos of my journey of my trip to different countries, different part of the world na akong pang adtuon og akong wa pa na share ninyo. Hope you will like, and may naamoy napulot pod og naamoy ideya nga pwede ninyong bisitaon in the near future. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video. See you on my next vlog. Thank you. Enjoy and have a good night and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.